EACAP project aims to provide students the opportunity to work collaboratively in teams to learn about an environmental issue, take action to eliminate a related environmental problem, and improve the state of the environment through education. There are several local environmental organizations that have projects that the students can take part in to help educate the public. The goal of the project is to raise students' awareness and understanding of various environmental issues and involve them in community projects that will allow the students opportunities for environmental stewardship now and into the future.
Alright, so we're with the sustainability team, so we're working with the city of Reading to clean up the streets and try to make it better.
We are the Green is the New Black, and we chose to work with Dr. Scanlon with the Trimetis team.
Basically, their goal is to keep the homeowners there to live there a longer time and be satisfied with their community, and they also are looking for other people to come into the community and actually move in and live there.
They are trying to find a sustainable way to 3D print, and they wanted to find empty grade 1 bottles, and they would use that as filament for 3D printing.
Basically what we do is we clean up the streets, we ask people how they're feeling, if they like their community, what's some changes that they want to see.
My team, we started advertising for that. We started putting up posters.
I actually did enjoy this form of education. It was very interactive, so we actually got to work with other people, other organizations.
I liked it because in every other class I took, it was more lecture, and in this class you're really forced to learn and talk to people.
So some things I learned about it is that sometimes there is a lot of littering that's happening. So to be mindful of what you throw out, make sure you dispose of it properly because it does contaminate the streets a lot. We got to hit an area around the train tracks where it took a group of us to actually clean it up and make sure all the little pieces of trash are. Another thing that I learned is that it's good to interact with your community because if you interact with them, you learn things. You get different mindsets, so there might be something that they think of that you might not think of, and it starts functioning on your mind and be like, oh wow, I could have done something to avoid that.
So the EACAP stands for Environmental Awareness and Community Action Project. Well, the goal is for the students to become informed about environmental concepts and environmental issues. So this project allows the students to expand outside of class and to research about a particular issue that they are more interested in. But the other aspect of it is their information and their gathering and becoming more aware about the environmental concepts and environmental problems that we're facing. But what are they going to do about it? So that action piece is about them becoming involved in the community and working with our community organizations to do a variety of service learning projects every semester. And in doing that, they're becoming aware of an environmental problem that they're researching, but at the same time, they're also becoming aware of the problems more locally and then taking action. And I started teaching the BISC 3 class in the spring of 2011, and I added this piece that very first year, kind of allowing the students to go out there and find their community organizations that they wanted to work with. And the very following fall, I decided to actually work with community organizations. So teams of students getting paired up with community organizations that are set every semester. I like doing that, and I love doing that because it gives students a sense of empowerment, and it gives them a sense of understanding the world around them and knowing their place in the world. So that's the reason I insist on doing the BISC 3 EACAP project every semester.